In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle and use smart guides effectively in PowerPoint. Smart guides are those on-the-fly alignment hints that pop up while you move or resize objects, helping you line up shapes, images, and text with clean, professional precision. First, let's turn them on. Go to the View tab, open Guides, and check Smart Guides. That's the core feature you need. If you want extra visual assistance while you work, open the Grid and Guide settings and enable dynamic guides as well. It's optional, but it gives you more real-time feedback as objects approach alignment. Now, put Smart Guides to work. Click and drag any shape, picture, or text box. As you move or resize it, you'll see dashed lines appear. These lines show three kinds of helpful alignment. When an object reaches the exact horizontal or vertical center of the slide, when it lines up with another object's edges or center, and when spacing becomes even between multiple objects. Those cues let you build consistent layouts without guessing. Use the alignment hints actively. When a vertical or horizontal dashed line appears between objects, you're aligned with that neighbor. If you're arranging several items, look for equal spacing guides to distribute them evenly without opening another menu. As you resize, smart guides can snap edges and centers into place, so your elements stay aligned as a group. For even greater accuracy, combine smart guides with the ruler and grid. On the View tab, turn on ruler and grid lines. Think of the ruler and grid as your absolute references, while smart guides handle the relative relationships between objects. Zoom in a bit when you're making fine adjustments, and use small mouse movements to let the snap behavior do the heavy lifting. If the snapping feels too strong or too loose, adjust the sensitivity. Right-click on an empty area of the slide and choose Grid and Guides. From there, enable Snap Objects to Grid or Snap Objects to Guides depending on what you want to prioritize. Then adjust the snap spacing to dial in finer or coarser control. Smaller spacing gives you more granular movement. Larger spacing helps you align quickly with broader steps. That's all you need to toggle and use smart guides effectively. With smart guides on, dynamic guides optional, rulers and grid lines as backup, and snap settings tuned to your preference, your slides will align quickly and look polished every time.